Women are an underserved market as insurance and financial professionals are notorious for marketing their services only on men. When engaged in financial conversations, most financial professionals don't even look at women as potential clients. Women are a $20 trillion market, and they need the products, the services, and the expertise financial professionals offer so they can plan for their financial future. Purse Strings was created for financial professionals to learn how to shape their style of service to meet the needs of a huge and growing female market. Imagine if you were only working with half of your potential clients. How much could you grow your business if you addressed the other half? During our workshops, we teach financial professionals how to cater their services to women and win more business from this valuable demographic. Our comprehensive assessment will examine every part of your business, and together we identify gaps and implement strategies to engage the female market. Click this link to enroll and start today.